All right, y'all. I'm back for part two. Had to do some relocation. Got a bit pissy outside. Um, but yeah, it's a pain, and I mean a pain in the balls to try to line the clip up with the hole. Um, it's not the smoothest transaction, but after like just like a minute of fiddling with it and a few F words, it finally slid in. But yeah. But yeah, I got it back in. Got it back in there. And basically, you line it up and it slides right inside this cage with these locking pins. You don't have to, really, I think you don't have to turn it sideways or this way. I kind of just slid it in the hole. You'll feel it with your hands. But, yeah, make sure you wear some latex gloves. Yeah, she's in there. That one's been in there for about a year and some change. Got a 2-pack off of Amazon. I got the box right here. I only paid like $25 ship, 1 day prime shipping. But yeah, man, like I said, they've been real good to me. Can't complain for $25. But yeah, man, if you use that method, it'll save you tons of time, and it'll save you, spending $175, $200 at a shop. Because before I knew this knowledge, I spent $175, 100 on the bulb, and then the $75 for labor and all that BS when I could have just did it myself. Like I said, you just pop that off under the wheel fender and take that off, and boom, you got easy access. I'm not gonna say easy access, but you have some decent access to change out your light bulb. But yeah, man, that's all. Y'all take care.